ओके, लेट्स गो टू स्वीकृति। स्वीकृति, तूने कॉलेज के साथ साथ पढ़ाई करी, अभी थर्ड ईयर में है लड़की, अभी डिग्री क्या, कॉलेज खत्म नहीं हुआ, अभी कॉलेज में बैठी है और सीधा एक कॉलेज खत्म होके सीधा दूसरे गेट के अंदर घुसने वाली है। भाई स्वीकृति, यू आर रोल मॉडल। ये बच्चे यही पूछते रहते मुझे कि यार मैं फ्रेशर हूँ सर, हो पाएगा नहीं हो पाएगा। बता इनको तेरी स्टोरी, हाउ डिड यू प्रिपेयर फॉर कैट एंड यू आर रोल मॉडल फॉर मेनी पीपल। व्हाट्स योर टेक?
So first of all, as the other people has already said, that we have to focus on all the three sections, but someone who is not an engineer, so I had to focus a lot of quants, and I realized that in the quant sections, it's not about how complex the sums or how complex the formulas. It's more about efficiently you can solve them, how like what time you're taking to solve them. Because जब मैं कैट देने गई थी तो then I noticed that वो कॉम्प्लेक्स सम्स इतने नहीं आते, सिंपल ही आते, which we have already studied in 10th and 12th, but it's more about how we manage our time, and that you can achieve through various tips and tricks that have been uploaded on the Cat Kings channel already, so you can go through that. And as for GDPI, sir always said that first you should focus on your academics, on your graduation, because the interviewers are going to fully question you on what you have learned in your bachelor's. And in my Amritsar interview, I think 90 to 95% of the questions they asked me were based on my degree. And yeah, if you're like me and you're attempting CAT in your third year of college, I was in my fifth sem exam started from like first week December, and we had CAT in last week November. So it is very important that you should keep a balance between the two. ऐसा नहीं कि CAT दे रहे हो तो like academics जाने दो, ऐसा नहीं है, दोनों का important same है, and you should be able to keep that balance. So that would be my advice for all the freshers going for CAT.
Awesome, that's lovely स्वीकृति। एक ही बार में बोली है लड़की, हाँ, ये अभी तक कुछ क्वेश्चन नहीं पूछा पिछले सेशन में, एक ही बार बोली है and she killed it. Great, thank you स्वीकृति, means a lot यार।